Morning. I thought I'd give you another little quick update on the bonnet. I'd say it's the morning after the night before. The last bit of video that you'll see was me and Dav back in like my father-in-law's shed workshop. We were up there till about 1 in the morning last night, just to try and get one coat on because of like a couple of setbacks and a couple of other little things that happened whilst we were up there. Gouges in the filler, having to fill a few more gaps and things like that, then priming it, and we found a few more marks and had to sand it back again. It's been a nightmare, but well, it was a nightmare, but it came out quite good. But like I say, it's the morning after the night before, so I've just done the school run, which brought me into the area. I'm only about half a mile, well, not even a quarter of a mile away from where it is, so I'm popping this morning if my in-laws are awake. Yeah, and just to have a quick look. I say, God bless them for letting us stay there till about 1 in the morning last night. Now there's always little dimples and marks. I mean, it's come up a bit better because Dav's actually sanded it back a fair bit, but there's always little marks that are going to be coming out in the paint, which we didn't see last time. Thought we got everything, but there's little lines here, and there's even a little chip there which I missed somehow, God knows how. But kind of at the point of no return now. We've got a choice of two things really, and that is go back to sanding and fillering and priming again, but it'll make it come out nicer, but then there might be other marks we possibly missed, or just sand it back a bit, put another coat of paint on and keep going so that the cost doesn't spiral out of control, because the thing is we can spend days and weeks sanding and everything else it back, little marks there and things like that. The thing is, I could end up making the cost spiral up to body shop figures, which is what we're trying to stay away from really. I actually have like Titan silver up my nose. That's terrible.